welcome to New Zealand Schools. Our top story this morning is College Street School and the cool kids that learn there. We have sent two reporters to interview kids and find out what makes this small school have such a big impact.
We go live to Foxton with our interviews. Miss Piggy and Mr. Hippo to check out what is happening at this outstanding school.
Coming to you live from College Street School, where the children are showing their pride in New Zealand by singing the national anthem.
Let us sing along with them. Wow, that was so much good to have a lot of pride in New Zealand in your school.
We must have a word with the principal and hear what he has to say about them.
Mr. McMullen, we have the notebook and your words of wisdom.
I think kids at the school. I wonder how they know just how to be so amazing. And on to it. So in a nutshell, what does it take to be a Coley kid?
To be a Coley kid, you must be striving, caring, proud and thinking. We interview some students and teachers to get their ideas.
To be a Coley kid, you must be prepared and you must try your best. To be a Coley kid, you must help people get out things that they can't get out.
To be a Coley kid, you have to help other people learn.
That we know what it means to be a Coley kid. Let's see who has been putting all these great ideas into practice with this week's Student of the Week.
Congratulations to all these amazing students. You are an inspiration to College Street School and New Zealand News.
So impressed by these amazing Coley kids. I just want to sing. Sing? Yeah, sing.
What do we want to sing?
How about Coley kids are rocking it?
Oh, I like this song. About you sing it fast. Coley kids could be so smart.
Maybe all of the cool teachers.
All the computers.
All of the fun activities. All of the books. Here you have many new books. Every week at your school. How lucky.
We go live to the library for this week's library spot.
I have some picture books for you. Anzac Biscuit Man, favourite animals, Little Penguin Who Wouldn't Eat His Dinner, the Planecone Track and the Gruffalo's Child. We've got a couple more poetry books for you. I'm Talking Big, Magic Poems, and this one here, Who's Been Sleeping in My Porridge. Now we've got some non-fiction books, World Religion, History of the South Pacific. Now these ones here are all on plants. Most of them are on New Zealand plants, so they're really, really cool. Okay, I especially like this one here, Plants by Fact. Also in our non-fiction, we've got 5-minute faces. We've got a couple here on protecting our wildlife and the habitat. Right, and we've got some books here on birds. We've got shorebirds, the kakapo, the kea, take, and the Real Size Guide to New Zealand Birds. Now for some more animal books, we've got sharks, whales and dolphins, and these ones are internet linked, really cool. Big cats, got a couple of books there on mammals and another one on birds. Here we have a couple of chapter books. Everybody loves Geronimo Stilton, so we've got a couple of those, and The Bridge to Terabithia. And finally, in our Year 7 and 8 books, this is the series Tomorrow When the War Began. So now we've got books 5, 6 and 7, so we've got the whole series in that. And just some My Story ones. The Hunger, The Voyage on the Great Titanic and The Great Plains. Thank you, Room 8. See you later.
Oh, Collie kids are so smart. They have tons of cool books and activities to help them learn. I wish I went to this school. Well, you might be a little schoolers, but I know some kids who have just joined the college that they will shall we make them.
Please welcome the newest addition to your Holy Street School.
And have a wonderful time at our school. We know you're gonna love it. So now that we have spent our time at the school, let's check out some of our amazing learning going around at the school.
Why don't we visit one of our classrooms and check out what they're up to?
Let's pick one at random. Here we are, roommates. I wonder what they do in there. Hello, welcome to roommate.
What are you doing now?
Procedural writing.
Procedural what?
Procedural writing.
It's kind of like writing recipes or steps. They're learning how to make grass heads.
I want to make one. How do you do that?
Come in and find out.
You need ingredients like grass seeds, soil, cereal, rubber bands and googly eyes. Step 1. Put some grass seeds on your shelf. Step 2. Put some soil on top of your seeds. Step 3. Pull all the corners together and tie them together. Step 4. Glue the googly eyes on and on. Step 5. Water them. Step 6. Watch them grow.
He's gonna be my new best friend. Thanks for the easy step to follow.
If you want to learn more about grass heads, come to room 8. Now, I've got a few steps of my own. Get some tips and a teacher who plays guitar. And you are ready for this week's birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Now let's use our love to happy birthday.
I love celebrating birthdays and I'm here at College Street School. They've amazing things like kids who show Collie manners at morning tea and lunchtime.
How did I do that? We have something called a chance counter. Would you like to see how it works? We're super fun. What else can we celebrate?
Well, we celebrate what class has the most fingers.
Yeah. I wonder who it is this week.
Let's find out. Do you know what else we have at College Street School?
What?
Our recycling wood.
Exactly. It's super important. What a great idea.
Let's go live to assembly to find out which class won at this week. Come on.
Wow, I just love visiting a cool school like College Street. But it's time for us to go back to our study.
Before we go, teachers, are there any announcements you'd like to share with us?
Thank you for tuning into our news program. We hope you enjoy learning all about what makes Coley Street School the best school around. Thank you to Room 8 for being such great programs, and we hope to see you again soon.
Have a lovely weekend and good luck to all schools.
Thank you for tuning in. Good night. Go get down, Lord.